I am kid-free and husband-free. So let's get ready together for our friend's wedding. We're already off to a great start because my hairbrush fell into the sink. The OCD is OCDing. I really hate my hair, but I'm in too deep at this point because I gotta leave in like 40 minutes. Okay, so technically my hair is done. I saw a bunch of people online using this stuff, so I got it too. And obviously I'm gonna use the proper brush to rub it in. When it comes to foundation, I have absolutely no idea what color I actually am because every time I go to buy foundation, I'm a different color. Like, they literally pulled up my profile today, and you can see that every time I purchase foundation or every time I've gone to get tested, I'm always a different color. About to turn on my inner Picasso. He was a painter, right? Woo! Everyone online said that this foundation was good, so I picked some up, and I'm the lightest shade. Like, I'm literally 1. I am shade 1. When the guy told me that, I was like, you're joking. He's like, no, you're shade 1. Just like add to the fun. We're gonna add in a little bit of that like shimmery bronzer stuff. Got the win. Does that look like me? I don't know where my beauty blender went. Got my husband's pants on because I forgot sweatpants. Listen, honey, the bags under my eyes, they're Prada. I was 10 years old when I realized that I was contouring my face totally incorrect and using the wrong products. I mean, I'm probably still doing it wrong, but like, I kind of like it. Do I look chiseled like Julius Caesar yet? Everyone, I have an announcement. Popular. You're gonna be popular. See, I told you guys I could sing. I thought I was bluffing. You know when you're like so far into your makeup and you're like, this either looks awesome and I look hot, or this is horrible. I'm about there right now. This was on sale and I saw really good reviews, so I got this. Technically, I think it's a foundation, but I saw people using it as setting powder. If you got this far of the video, go ahead and tell me right now, like, how is this looking? How is this looking? Okay, because I'm going to be reading the comments before I actually go. Alright, and if the comments are not looking good, then I'm going to use a face wipe and I'm just going in with no makeup, okay? Oh, no. I'm not sure if I'm giving Picasso or Focasso, because it could go either way. Sistine Chapel, who? Is that what Beethoven painted? No, I think that was Michelangelo, actually. I'm so good at history. If I had to pick one makeup product that was my absolute favorite, it's this gal right here. We know her, we love her. Just stunning. Not me, the highlighter. Fun fact about me, I do not know how to do eyeshadow, and honestly, I don't like the way eyeshadow really looks on me, so I always just use highlighter as my eyeshadow. Forgot my favorite brow pencil, so I'm gonna use some of this for color and then some gel for sculpting. Is this waterproof? My allergies might act up. It doesn't say that. I'm in too deep at this point. Let's go. I've never tried this before, but it said it was a lip souffle, and souffles sound delightful, so that honestly the name sold me on it. Oh, and that is actually exactly the color that I always go for. I'm running out of time. If you guys want to see the final look, go to the next video.